Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. We're going to make Iron Man cupcakes today. Awesome! You can make these using any of your favourite characters. But let's do Iron Man today. Start by rolling out some red fondant icing. Now let's place our Iron Man head on the fondant icing. We've printed this out from the internet and we can use it to cut out our shape. Just cut around it. You can of course just do it freehand, but by using this printout you get the perfect head shape. There! Right, just pop that aside, and now we're going to roll out some yellow fondant icing. This is to finish off the face. Cutting out a section, placing your printout onto it, and again cutting around. Excellent! And it's done! Now we've got a cupcake we made earlier. We're using chocolate, you can of course use any flavour you like, and we're coating it in red buttercream icing. Once that's done, we're going to dip it into some red sugar. That's easy to make, of course, you just need some white sugar and some red food colouring. You can also use crushed up candies or sprinkles. Next, we're piping on some bright green buttercream icing using a serrated edge nozzle for a lovely pattern. And now time to do the detail on our Iron Man face. Using a piping bag with some white buttercream icing and a super thin nozzle, we're piping on the eyes. Then, using an edible pen, we're going to draw on the details. For this, you can just look at your printouts to copy the facial features. Excellent! Now, using a little bit of that white buttercream icing, we're going to stick on the face. Perfect! Little more detail goes on there. Excellent. Right. Time to stick Iron Man onto the cupcake. Brilliant! There you have an amazing Iron Man cupcake. Think of all the superhero characters you could do. So easy. Just get a printout, some fondant icing, buttercream icing, and a cupcake.